Hello and welcome to Kris and Noah Drinkin. I'm Noah.
I'm Kris.
Don't mind him, he's just here to crush the ice.
Not anymore.
Well, we'll see about that. So Hong Kong has been in the social media and the news a lot in the last few weeks, and not for good reason. So I want to make it for good reason.
Okay, how do we do that?
Well, I would like to make one of my favourite, well, my second favourite cocktail that I've had in Hong Kong at the beautiful Four Seasons Hotel.
Oh, Grey Martini.
No, that's not at the Four Seasons. That's my first favourite. This is my second one. This is a Pineapple and Ginger Martini.
Ooh,
it's really easy, and the beautiful barman, and I won't mention his name, did tell me the secret to this recipe. And the secret is, believe it or not, lime juice cordial. Now they make their own, of course, because they have time. I don't have time for that.
Well, why not?
Well, because I'm busy. Starting with your shaker. You want to get fresh ginger, and you want to chop a big nugget of ginger, so probably a good 5 centimeter piece. Roughly dice it and throw it straight into your shaker. You don't need to peel it. Just chuck it straight in, because you're going to use your muddler to give it a good thrashing. Can you do that? Yeah. While he's doing that, do it like that. Stop making the noises.
How am I going to muddle if I don't make noise? And done.
While he's doing that, if you don't have fresh ginger, go out and get some, because this does not work with pre-cut ginger in a jar. It just tastes revolting. So you've got your ginger done. To that we add a shot of vodka per person, so I'm making 2 cocktails, so 2 lovely bits of vodka, any vodka of choice. I just happen to have this in the freezer, of course. And then 2 shots of pineapple juice per cocktail. Pretty simple.
So that's 4 shots of pineapple juice.
Thank you.
Because 2 plus 2 is 4.
Thank you. And then, literally, the only way I can describe this is just a splash of the lime juice cordial. You don't want too much.
A splash per glass?
Just a splash into your shaker. If you put too much, it is going to overpower it and taste disgusting. Then fill your shaker with some ice, of course. And shake for communism.
You can't say that.
Shake for Jesus. Sorry. You know what I meant.
Are we there yet?
Okay. Once you're done, you're going to pour it into your martini glass. I like to do it over a sieve. You don't have to, but I like to, just to catch any little bits of ginger that happen to be laying about, or get through the sieve. The ginger gives it a bit of heat. The pineapple juice is incredibly sweet. It's a really, really refreshing cocktail. As I say, the Four Seasons Hotel in Hong Kong. It's one of my favourite places to visit, and we're thinking of you. Be safe. Pineapple ginger martini. Cheers.
It's good.
It's really good.
It's quite good. Right, so we'll see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, down there. Click the thing, the bell thing.
Bell thing.
Click that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Bye. I'm doing that one, not that.
Yes, I know, but I was just seeing what I look
Camera
like.
1, camera 2, camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1, camera 2.
All right.
1.
Yes,
2.
I got it.